So, does it this way? Or is that way?
No, that way, yes.
I never learned.
Huh?
It's ridiculous. I never learned.
It's fine.
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we are the Vagabond Turtle team and this is what we do.
Now I know. We are on first Swedish biking of the year.
Oh yes. First spring biking of the year, 2023. Welcome.
Yes. We are.
And it's premiere.
Oh yeah, you should actually show your fantastic new bike.
Oh yes, it's the premiere of the Beast. His official name, and it's a e-bike, a Haibike trekking 5 actually.
Diamond 5.
Indeed. So we're gonna take him for a spin, see how he does. I have been trying him out lately, short trips, and so far I'm very happy with it. So I'm very much looking forward to today.
And today we try the bike road that you would be taking to job.
Oh yes. So let's go to work.
That's what you don't do, guys. This has been on the video, so you know how to not bend the rules. That's awesome! that was Dennis. Go a little ahead so we can see you a little. You have a good engine, go on.
So mind if I do?
First I'm gonna, take the... I'm taking it. I wanted to get a good view of this. Honey, stop! I need a picture. Need a picture. Yeah. Water for me.
Yeah. Nice day, right? Go ahead. Don't stop taking the view or anything. Just keep on going.
Someone salty. I mean, it's still frozen, but here we are, guys. We are out and we are doing shit. And here is Danny's new bike. Testing it. And here is the oldie but goodie. Not that old, it's just 1 year old.
Good old RB.
Yes. All right, let's get back to it.
Yes, are you up? Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. They didn't give a damn.
It's calling me. Oh, not the rainbow, not the rainbow. It's calling me. Oh, not the rainbow, the rainbow.
Yeah, that's where we were. Then we should show people where you were. Dennis literally works in this building here. I'm gonna stop. Oh yeah. But show us what happened on the maiden voyage. Show us. What did you do? What did you do?
I was trying to climb up a hill and then
It's great.
great.
No, it was actually not the hill. It was you were walking by the rocks.
It was a giant rock. This big. It came flying towards us.
He hit a curb.
It was a giant curve. This big.
Yeah, exactly. The length of it was that big.
It was this big.
Yeah, you took it away too close. But good learning curve, and as we said, guys, every bike needs a battle scar.
Indeed. A bump here and there and a bruise here and there.
He has no problems otherwise. He is a beauty. All right.
It works very well with all the Yamaha.
And here is my loyal steed.
The road bike is tested and tried.
Yeah, exactly.
That's one you can count on.
Exactly. I feel like we are really in the way, so let's get going. So he works in this building. That's the point. He works in this building.
Mama Dennis has a job.
Actually, Mama Dennis has a job just like Boggy.
Exactly. If we can figure out what we do for a living.
We said it already on one of the, or even more of the videos.
Yeah, if people pay attention.
What do they get if they figure it out?
You get a shout out and perhaps even a request.
Ah, you can request something. Where do you wanna go? In Stockholm, thankful. Like bike in Bali. It's like
Bike in Tromsø.
bike it. But that's where we live. So, all right. I need to give a shout out for my steady steed.
Yeah.
She is awesome.
It's warm in the sun.
Oh yeah. So this is the view that I see, guys, when I'm biking here. I will I was thinking to put actually the GoPro on my chest once in a while, so you can see a little more, but I think it's fine. Oh well, our luck is out a little. We didn't get far because Dennis almost lost his pedal, so he is getting some tools now because we forgot to bring tools. So waiting here, he's gonna come from that way, and we were just on the way home, and yeah, things happen. We are just a little stupid not to pack tools, which is bad on us. Usually I have a whole workshop in my bags, but not this time. There he is coming. I think he was running.
Well, happy Easter, everybody. Everything is closed. But there's a solution. We go up to Shell. They have tools. We can fix this there.
Okay, so did you talk to him?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So we do this, honey. We just go back where I came from, past the station, and then it's on the other side of the track.
All right.
Just
There
up
is a
bit.
shell. Okay, you know what? A bit of adventure. We always need that.
Yeah, exactly. We need to stop for.
Worst case scenario,
See
I
the
got
organ.
bike home and you ask for a taxi, a big one, and you take home the bike.
Yeah, good luck.
No, it's fine. I did that when I got a. Yeah. All right. See you at Shell.
Just so you can see us.
Yeah.
Alright. Hold this, please. I will go in and grab the tools.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you need some tool for this, which is fine, of course. I should learn from this.
I think it was that was hard, when we were putting it together, wasn't it?
It was. It's not straight.
Just didn't really go in all the way.
Okay, before I really need to.
You know what? It's gonna be fine.
All right.
You well deserved chocolate after.
Oh yes, after that challenge.
Oh yes.
We'll see how long it lasts.
But now it's in properly. I don't think we got it in last time.
Well, it's in, but I wouldn't say properly. I'm just afraid that it's demolished, drilled, the hole anew.
Yeah. Well, we can take it to a service, in London, or ask these guys who sent it to you. You should have guarantee that they check on it. I don't think it's a costly change. It's all the way in. It should stay. But check on it sometimes when you are biking, if it's coming out or not.
Indeed. Pay attention to it.
Yeah. But my steady steed is just steady as ever. A little dusty steady.
Oh. Better stay waiting for that.
Yes. All right, back on the road again. So halfway, or well, not halfway, but on the way back, the GoPro gave up out of battery.
Yeah, exactly.
So
we couldn't manage the whole trip.
we are back home now.
Yeah.
So that's the end of it.
Indeed.
Saying goodbye.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us on our first trip. More will come this year.
And hopefully everything that could go wrong already did now with the pedal.
Yeah, let's find out.
Yes, exactly. See you guys in the next one.
See you.
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself.